How to delete account on Facebook Lite. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily delete your account on Facebook Lite. So first thing first, simply head over to your Facebook application and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. And once you're inside here, simply click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and scroll all the way down until you find the settings. And once you're inside your settings, simply click on this account center option, and from over here what you can do is simply select on this your personal details option over here and simply select on this account ownership and control. And from over here what you can do is click on this deactivation or delete shutdown option and select your Facebook account. And from over here what you can do is you will have two options: one to deactivate your account temporarily and want to deleting your account. So since we are deleting our account, simply click on deleting account and just hit the continue button. And it will also delete any pages related to your current Facebook account. So simply click on continue from over here, and it will ask you to for a reason why you want to delete your account. So simply select any one of your reason and simply click on continue. And from over here you can simply click on continue once again, and you can download your key or keep a backup of your messenger or activity just like this, your data. So if you don't want any of those, you can simply click on continue. And if you want any of copy, so you can keep it as well, and it will ask you to re-enter your password for the last time. And once you do that, you will be seeing your one last delete button at the last. And when you simply click on that delete button from the bottom, you will have successfully deleted your account from the Facebook Lite. So that is it guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.